Welcome to a brand new video. Right, one thing I'm going to be showing you right now, okay? Tell me the importance behind this. Bit of a weird card, but what sticks out, right? What sticks out? You know, you got the Visa sign there. And you got this little logo there, Wirex, yeah? And also the contactless bit. What sticks out about that? What sticks out? When you think of Visa, what do you think of? Think of Visa right now in your head. Think of Visa, right? What do you think of? Guarantee you it's something to do with money or payments or cards, right? When you think of that, when you think of Apple, what do you think of? Guarantee you think of phones, computers, laptops, right? When you think of Tesla, what do you think of? Electric cars, right? Electric cars, full point. You think anyone mentions electric cars, you're gonna think of Tesla, right? This is the point I'm making. This is the point I'm making right now, okay? This is how you level up your dropshipping store. This is how you become from just dropshipping products to what, like, to the big scales. This, the most important thing that I've realized about anything, about business, branding. Branding is the best. And you're probably wondering, like, how do you start branding? How do you start branding your store? Well, you need to look at your target audience. So, it's a bit shaky there, but you are right. You'll have a target audience, okay? You have some sort of target audience, and guarantee you, your target audience will be in a certain bracket or range of age group, of gender, everything, right? You've got that target audience right there in front of you, and you'll target your audience, and you'll talk to your audience and go, yes, this is what I want. This is what's good about my product. You think Tesla goes, we've got a car, it's electric, it goes there to there, and does this. They do talk about it sometimes, they do mention it, you can go and find it, but when they advertise the products, when you see advertisements on the telly, or on the television, or on YouTube, you see some sort of advertisements, what does it mention? Does it go, hello, this is my product, this is what it does, this is what's good about it, see you later, right? 9 times out of 10 doesn't, right? Now, this is one of the things that you need to consider when doing your store. With your social media campaigns, in a lot of cases advertisement campaigns as well, not when it's for a specific product, but in general, is branding. Steve Jobs, one of the things that made Apple skyrocket was in the 80s when he decided to focus on branding. He worked with a brand new advertising agency. He worked with this brand new agency, right? And he worked with it. He was like, yeah, man, let's... He didn't go, yeah, man. Steve Jobs didn't go, yeah, man, how we doing? How are we? He didn't go anything like that. He didn't say that. Steve Jobs comes out of nowhere and he basically talks to this advertising campaign, and he basically goes, I don't want to focus on what's good about our computers. People don't care about that. You want to focus on the people behind buying your product. You want to touch their pain points. You want to touch the pain points and then show them, touch the pain points to sort of relate with what they're going through, what they have been through in the past. You want to do that. You want to touch the, and then you want to show how your product can make their life better without even mentioning the product. And so a lot of people, that's confusing. And when I first learned it, I was like, it's confusing, but what he goes on about is key. Like, it is key. This branding element is key. Now, I don't think I can put the actual advertisement on here, but I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. You can go see the advertisement itself. The advertisement itself focuses on the people behind using the computers. The people who are using the computers. Windows never did that. This is how they competed with Windows. The people who were using the computers and using it on a daily basis to run things, to do the work life, and you focus on inspiring leaders. You focus on people who are leaders and how they create that. And at the end, just an Apple logo. And that associates the people who are, workers. They're trying to get to somewhere. They're trying to associate that any of the brand's tools can help them get there and have helped them get there in the past. And it focuses on key inspirational people, like just throughout history. Rosa Parks, so many other key inspirational people. And that's the way they did it. And it was one of the best advertising campaigns for the brand ever. this is what I'm trying to come across to you about. You've got your dropshipping store right now, and when you do your advertisements, yes, it might generate sales, might do everything else, but to actually up it for 2021, to get the majority of sales in, to have the best 2021 that you could possibly have. Do you know what I mean? This is what you do to be able to do this. This is how you can do it. Now you're probably wondering, how do I do it? I'm going to give you an example, right? An example for something completely different for Apple than Apple, right? Oh God, there's loads of cars here. Right. All right, I'm going to give you an example of something completely different. So, what you will do is, let's say we're going to use makeup, right? And I'm giving you one of my ideas here for free, so have at it. I don't care. If you want to use this for your makeup store, go ahead, right? It's a beauty store that we own. I own a beauty store. We have it, or a dropshipping store, right? Not going to tell you what it is, but there's an advertising campaign that I'm working on currently. This is the reason why I made this video, is to focus the whole social media, to focus everything on women leaders. You know, it's International Women's Day today. How many people love the mum? How many people love every woman in the family? You know what I mean? How many, like, you know, leaders in the female world are so powerful and confident? Now, the whole power behind what I'm doing, and the example of that behind what I'm doing, is I am creating something. I'm going like, yo, this is my advertisement, and the focus is on confidence, is on bringing women confidence, and how they can actually fully do that, and how I can fully create confidence within women, and what creates confidence within women. You know, when girls go out, when they decide to go out and they want to look fancy, what do? Makeup, you know, beauty, how to make themselves look better, and how to make themselves feel better. Now, focusing on these women leaders and how confident they are, and you know, I'm hitting the exact pain points of the audience. You know, what women go through on a day-to-day basis without even being a woman myself. Do you know what I mean? So my whole focus behind that is to look and focus on your audience and what your audience want to become, what you know, whatever they want. Focus on successful women and how they can get successful. Don't even include your product in the social media campaigns. Don't even include it. You know, be a brand for helping your audience. Help the audience with whatever you're doing, with inspirational messages, and that will make your brand stand out. It'll make everything about your store stand out from the others, because you have took out a completely different thing, completely different operation of what you're doing. You're not focusing on this product has not been animal tested, or this or that, or this product has, I don't even know the key benefits for makeup. I just know it's a big industry. But the whole focus behind it is to go, look, women struggle with confidence like any other person. Girls struggle with confidence. We are focusing on how you can become confident, how you can become a better version of yourself to tackle the day even better than before. Focus on that. Focus on these women leaders. Use model it for your own industry and see the results. Focus on your branding, on your social media campaigns and your advertising campaigns. Just focus on the branding, and I guarantee you, this is what not only does it increase, you know, your sales, it increases your longevity of your brand as well. This is what Gymshark have done as well. The focus is purely, but for Gymshark don't go, this is the fabrics that we use. They sponsor the people that, you know, go to the gym. What does the gym do? It builds confidence. Do you know what I mean? This is the example that I'm using in my head. I'm modeling this exact thing. You know, it builds confidence. It makes people feel better. And what Gymshark do is, no matter what body size, no matter what you've done, what you've been through, whether you're an athlete, whether you're not, they'll sponsor those people in their advertisement campaigns, and they'll sponsor these influencers that are actually, you know, athletes for one. Someone who's just been in the gym. You know, you got True Geordie on one side, you know, big guy, like not your average, you know, athlete per se, or Bazinga, you know what I mean? These people, but it focuses on the benefits of the gym and what their product can do to help you go on a gym. You know what I mean? Just a bit of food for thought today. Drop branding. Drop branding. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. I am in a Mackey's drive-through. Leave me alone. Right. You know, when you're working so much, you need some quick bites now and again. You need a treat. So, right, but yeah, appreciate all the love and support that I've been getting recently, and more uploads are definitely coming. That's one thing I can definitely say. I've just been getting my head together with what we want to plan for Mad About Media, and a lot bigger plans are coming through. So much love to everyone. Thank you for watching this brilliant video. Subscribe for more content and focus on your branding. See you later.